Hello friends, welcome you all in Sarma English classes. My dear friends, once again I would like to discuss on a great topic, attitude. Attitude is a person's viewpoints, standpoints which lead to responses to different stimuli. Like all inner traits, attitude can be developed at any stage of life, helping one to lead a life of joy and success. But first, one must accept and understand through introspection why one has a particular standpoint to a particular stimuli, and then accept also the need to change that viewpoint for better results. My dear friends, attitude is the little thing that makes a big difference. I'm going to give you variety of attitudes. Kindly have a look, listen to them. If you like, follow. Winning attitude. You were born to win, but to be a winner, you should plan, prepare, and expect to win. If you do like this, surely you are going to achieve success in your life. Brimming confidence. My dear friend, confidence is key to success in every area of your life. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be got without self confidence. My dear friends, self confidence is key to success. Already I have said it. Vivacious, full of life, good spirit, happy and lively in a way that is attractive. It means a person should have this type of feeling, a bubbly nature, attractive nature, as well as totality in terms of happiness. He or she must be happy while performing or doing any type of work. Sincerity, everything can be copied by people, but no one can copy your sincerity, your loyalty, your morality. You can be unique if you are having these types of qualities in you. Flexible approach, adopt an attitude of flexibility. If there is one emotion to cultivate to guarantee success, it's the ability to change your approach. My dear friends, your approach should be great, wonderful. Then you can achieve success. Determination. You must be determined if you are going to achieve something, you are going to gain success, or you are putting your focus on particular thing. Your thoughts, attitude, determination are all important for success. There is a combination of all. If you are putting all at particular one place, surely you will win over there. Trustworthy, my dear friends, if you talk about trustworthy, the process of building is an interesting one, but it begins with yourself, with what I call self trust, and with your own credibility, your own trustworthiness. If you are trustworthy, or people they trust upon you, people they believe in you, they bank on you. So my dear friends, you are the most valuable person. If you have money but you are not going to be kept trust in the heart of people, I don't think so you are rich. But if you are trustworthy, you are rich. Tolerance, to understand and embrace people from different backgrounds and those who have different beliefs, not judging others based on superficial qualities. Tolerance, my dear friends, you should have patience. If you have patience, you can win every type of battle in your life. Willing to adapt, the ability to adapt and learn new things. Adaptability is the ability to change for change or to be changed, or I can say to fit altered circumstances. You can keep yourself in whichever position you want to keep, but there should be a type of attitude in you. You must adapt yourself, you must accept change, or you must mold yourself. Modest, my dear friends, one great thing we are having again, modest. Modesty is not about hiding your body, it's about revealing your dignity. Be modest, be humble, be simple. These are key to success. These are very essential ingredient you have in yourself. If you have diligence, my dear friends, if you are diligent and patient, everything you truly need in your life will come to you at the right time. If you are having this type of the thing, surely you are going to win. Respectful, you can develop the right attitude toward others. If you have kindness, love, and respect for them, it means a respectful person is always respected everywhere. Respect needs respect. Start giving respect, you will surely gain respect. Sympathetic, sympathetic. Already I have discussed when I taught you or when I delivered my lecture on empathy. In that also I incorporated sympathy. Kindness is defined as demonstrating a gentle, sympathetic attitude towards others, and it is a rare quality. You can't find this type of quality in common people. If you keep yourself instead of others, you can better understand the feeling of others. Start keeping yourself instead of or in. I think in their side you should go and understand their feelings. So better understand what they exactly want to say. Frank and outspoken, my dear friends. Frankness and outspoken is always great. You are sharing all sort of information which you have inside, but on the behalf of this, when you are frank or outspoken, you can talk frankly about our defects only to those who recognize our qualities, and we can work upon our poor qualities. If we are very frank or we are sharing something, the people are going to say this is right, this is wrong, something else in terms of wrong. We are going to work upon that wrong thing and we are going to make it important thing in terms of correction. Polite, politeness is also very important factor in terms of attitude. You have to be polite, you must be polite, and nothing you are going to spend being polite. One of the greatest victories you can gain over someone is to beat him at politeness. It means if you are polite, my dear friends, the biggest achievement you have in this competitive world or in cutthroat competition, you are going to survive. But make sure you must be having softness, politeness, respect, respective attitude. You must be having humbleness in you. If you have these type of great qualities, or I must say these type of attitudes you are going to adopt or you are having, no one is going to defeat you. You are going to be the winner over there. Every type of battle or every type of thing you are going to achieve in your life. My dear friends, if you like this lecture, kindly like, share, subscribe this lecture. Thank you everyone.